Hey guys, I'm Tutorial Phil. Welcome back to my channel. I have a Balenciaga unboxing today. As you can see, I think from the size of the box, it is a pair of shoes, and it's something I wanted to try on for myself after seeing it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox this. I did already try it on, but in this video, I'm going to have a quick try on as well and then talk to you about the fit. Something I noticed with these boxes is that they get pretty dirty pretty easily, and usually when you get them, especially if you order them online, the box is usually already kind of dirty from packaging, from shipping and stuff. So these are just some of the inserts that I already took out of the shoes. And also this is using the new logo, so the font that they use is a little different. So as you can see, these are the track trainers. This color is the orange, blue, and white color. I think it's the one that stands out more. They have a black version, and I think they have a third color as well. But this is the color that caught my eye the most. You can see the new logo here as well. The font's a little bit more condensed than the old one. This style also has the size of your shoe on the toe. It's stitched on. And I chose a 40 on this. I was looking online to figure out if I should size up or down. And after trying these, I would say these fit pretty true to size. So unlike the Triple S where I had recommended that you size down, for these I would say take your normal size, and actually if you're maybe in between sizes, like let's say you're more 40.5, I would definitely recommend that you size up to a 41. And if you, maybe even if you plan on wearing thicker socks, if you can, you should probably try on the next size larger, because what I noticed is that the padding here is pretty substantial. So when you're on, when you have your foot in these, the padding really hugs your feet. So if you're also going to be wearing any type of thick socks, it could get kind of uncomfortable. But I would say for the most part, just having your regular size is fine. So this is like the old back-to-back B logo. It also has Balenciaga on the bottom as well. And there's some hard plastic parts here, as well as more rubberized parts. When I first looked at this, to me it looked like a sneaker that ate another sneaker. It's like a hybrid sneaker. Almost looks like, I think it's meant to be maybe 3 sneakers that got combined into one. It is a really cool concept. There's definitely a lot of thought put into it, and I think online they said that there's 96 parts that make up this shoe. So there's a lot of little parts that they have to consider and sew on in order to make this aesthetic. So the sole, you can see here in the back, it has a pronounced heel as well, similar to the Triple S. But this pair, unlike the Triple S, is a lot lighter. It's definitely still not the lightest pair of sneakers, but it's definitely very obvious that it's lighter than the Triple S shoes. And on the back, on both of them, they say track. And that's why these are called the track trainers. There's a pull tab here too, and actually this insert is just from, that white thing is not part of the shoe design, it's just what Balenciaga put in between it to, I guess, help hold its shape. And I noticed there's a little bit here as well that I'll need to pull out if I was going to wear this outside. These are $850 in the US. But one thing that was disappointing is, just like the new version of the Triple S, these are made in China. And I realize China has the infrastructure to create sneakers because they probably produce the majority of the world's sneakers, including like Reebok, Nike, and all those big brands. So Quality-wise, I don't think it's going to be that substantially different than, let's say, if the sneakers were made in Italy. It just really comes down to the material they use, which are probably going to be imported from different countries anyway. However, it's still kind of hard to justify spending $850 for a designer shoe that is made in China. And then this, in the camera you don't see it as well, but it has almost like a brushed metallic effect, which I think definitely adds to the dimensionality, because this blue is a flat blue, which is the same as here, but this blue has a metallic sheen to it, like brushed aluminum. And then you have some more glossy plastic parts, and then more matte or semi-gloss parts. When I was looking through the materials, I don't think there's any leather in here. I think it's all synthetic. And then you have mesh here, which I guess would help make it a little bit more breathable. So these look less chunky. I think definitely more technological, has that tech vibe to them. And I did really want to like these, but I think these look better if you have at least maybe a 42 shoe size. I'm gonna quickly try it on for you guys just so you can see what it looks like on. And that's my video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Check me out on Instagram for the latest updates and exclusive content. I'll be posting some stills from the try-on portion on Instagram as well if you want to check out more detailed shots there. And I usually just have more content there anyway, so if you like what you see on YouTube, I definitely recommend that you check me out on Instagram, and I hope to see you in my next video.